Hi guys, good evening to all. Welcome to SHS Exhibitions. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topics of website architecture, what are the client-side technologies, what are the server-side technologies, what is the main difference between the client-side and server-side technologies, and what is the static websites, what are the dynamic websites. Before going to this topic, I will say one thing. SHS Exhibition provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, and SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools for the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. First of all, what is the website architecture? Website architecture can be divided into three parts. Can be divided into three parts. First one is the user interface. User interface alias front end. Okay. And second one is the middle layer. Second one is the middle layer. Yes, alias business logic. Business logic. And third one is the backend. Third one is the backend or database. Backend alias database. I will explain with pain. Okay, first part, user interface. On second part, business logic. On third part, database. What is the first part? First part, like as a user interface. User interface. User interface or front end. User interface or front end. Okay, and second one is the middle layer. Middle layer or business logic. Business logic. And third one is the backend. Third one is the backend or database. Backend or database. Okay, this is the three parts. Website architecture can be divided into three parts. First one is the user interface. Okay, which technologies are used in user interface? In user interface, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JS, jQuery. These technologies are used in user interface. User interface. User interface means, suppose here I am open a Book My Show website. Okay, yeah, this is the Book My Show website. My location is Vijayawada. Okay, user visible part is called as a. This is the user visible part. This visible part is called as a user interface. User interface means user visible part. User visible part is also called as a user interface. This user interface can be developed by the these technologies: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery. These technologies are used to develop the user interface. Next, business logic. Middle layer or business logic. Middle layer or business logic completely depends upon the product owner requirement. Product owner. Product owner, which technologies are used to develop the website? Product owner said which technologies are used to develop the website. That particular technologies are used in this middle layer or business logic. Your product owner said Java, you can use Java. We can use Java. Next, or else we can use product owner said Angular. Okay, we can use the developer can use the Angular or Node.js or React.js. Okay, or else PHP, anything, Python, anything can be. Okay, product owner, what is it? This is the product owner requirement, and product owner said the which technologies are used in business logic. Okay, sorry. Okay, next one is the backend database. Okay, in database we are using the uh, MySQL server, MySQL server. Okay, MySQL server or SQL, MongoDB, MongoDB or NoSQL. Okay, NoSQL. Okay, these technologies are used in the backend. Suppose in website we are searching for a jailer movie. Okay, jailer movie. When we are searching this keyword, jailer keyword, it directly goes to the database. It will be directly goes to the database. It will be directly goes to the database. Okay, next business logic through database. Okay, it will give the response to the same process. Okay, this is the website architecture. Website architecture. Website architecture. So website working process is this. Okay, next one. What is the next question? Okay, what are the client side technologies and what are the server side technologies? Client side technologies are okay. Client side technologies are first one is the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, and Ajax. Okay, these technologies are called as a client-side technologies. Client-side technologies. Client-side technologies are always compared with the web browsers. Client-side technologies are compared with the web browsers. Web browsers like as a Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, Safari. These are the web browsers. Client-side technologies are always compared with the web browsers. Okay, next one. What are the server-side technologies? Server-side technologies are suppose PHP, Python, Ruby, C#, Node.js, something else. Okay, etc. So these are the server-side technologies. Server-side technologies are always compatible with the web servers. Client-side technologies are always compatible with the web browsers. These files are compiled with the browsers. Browsers like Chrome, Mozilla, next Edge, Safari, okay, etc. Web browsers. Next, server-side technologies are always compiled with the web servers. Web servers. Web servers like XAMPP, WAMP, LAMP, and so on. Okay, these the server-side technologies are always compiled with the web servers. These servers can be used to compile with these technologies. These technologies are compulsory compiled compilation process, compulsory we can use the servers, web servers. Next, what is the main difference between the client-side technologies and server-side technologies? Server-side processors are always executed on the web server. Server-side processors are server-side processors. Processors are executed on the web servers. Okay. Next, this is the server side. Okay. While client side processors are executed on the user's device. Client side processors are executed on the user's device. User's device like browsers. Okay. Browsers. Web browsers are executed on the client side scripting. Client side scripting technologies are always compatible with the web browsers. It is client side technologies are used for validations and functionalities for users. Client side technologies are used for it is used for validations. It is used for validations and functionality. Functionality for users. Okay, it is used for validations and functionality for users. Okay, web servers are used to compile with the server-side technologies. They are basically used to create the dynamic websites. They are basically used to create the dynamic websites. Okay. Next, client-side technologies. They are basically used to create the. They are basically used to create the. Clients static websites. Okay. Server-side technologies are used to create the dynamic websites, and client-side technologies are used to develop the static websites. Okay. And the client's server side is the organize the data. Server side is organize the data. Organize the data means store data in server. Store the data in server. Okay. It will show the 100%. It will shows what you are write in the document. What you are write in the document. Document what you are write in document. It will be shows 100%. It will shows what you are write in the document. Okay. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. What is the static websites? Static websites is the best example is the blogs. Static websites best example is the blogs. Suppose Sachin Tendulkar blog. In the blog, we can read the data only. In the blog, we can read the data only. We cannot do anything. We cannot update anything. We cannot delete anything. Static websites means static websites is the best example is the static website best example is the blogs. In the blogs, we can read the data. In the blogs, in the blogs, we can read the data. We can read. We can read the data only. We can read the content. We can read the content only. We cannot do anything. We cannot. We can't do anything. We can't do anything. Okay, we cannot do anything means any updates, any deletion process, uh, any update, any deletion process. We cannot do in static websites. Okay, next, what is the dynamic websites? Dynamic websites are always take the input from the users. Dynamic websites are dynamic websites. Dynamic websites are always takes the information, takes the input from users, take the input from users and give dynamic feedback and give dynamic dynamic feedback. Suppose here, yeah, here Bookmyshow is the website. Bookmyshow is the website. Suppose I'm searching a tickets for Japan. Searching a tickets for Japan. Japan. Here I am searching the Japan movie like Japan. And search and enter. Yeah, okay. It will show the Japan will be play in which theaters. Okay. It will show the complete information about the Japan. Next here book tickets. Okay. Telugu Tori. Okay. It will show the which theaters, yeah, in which theaters playing the Japan movie. Okay. This is the immediate feedback. This is the dynamic website. And also APS RTC and also APS RTC. Suppose you are search for the here from Vijayawada. Here we are given the input. We are given the input. Next, I am to Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay. Next, which day? The was on. Okay. Next Saturday. Yeah. Okay. Check availability. It will show the complete buses in 30. Okay. Now here it will show the complete bus details. Complete bus details. Here, first of all, we are given the input from Vijayawada to next Hyderabad. Vijayawada to Hyderabad on 30th date. Here it will show the complete bus details. Okay. User, when the user given the input, it will show it will give the automatically feedback. If these websites are called as a dynamic websites. Yeah, okay. I hope you all are understand what is the website architecture and what are the client-side technologies, what are the server-side technologies, what is the main difference between the server side and the client side, and what is the static websites and what is the dynamic websites. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. SHS Tech Solutions also provide the online classes. If you if you if you interest any technology, if you interest to learn any technologies, please contact. Okay, this is my number. Okay, SHS Tech Solution also provide the online classes. If we need to learn any technologies, you can contact me. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.